record. Okay. So once the initial setups and everything are done, right? So what we'll be doing,
Okay.
we'll be logging into the user application where the instrumentation engineers will be working on. Got it? So
Okay.
here you have a smart instrumentation application, right? Run as administrator. So already, you know, we have created like multiple other groups where the users are mapped into the group, correct? So based on the privileges, what you can do, you can log in with the user who have the access to the application. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. So once if you log into the particular SPI user module, you can able to see the domain. Okay. You can able to
Yes,
see
sir.
the domain. Under the domain, you can able to see the plant. Okay. The plant that you have created, right? It will be available plant. So under the plant, you will have the area. Under the area, you will have the respective units. Got it?
Units. Yes.
Okay. So upon clicking on the unit, right, you can able to enter into the respective unit. Okay. So once you get into the unit, by default, automatically Domain Explorer and Reference Explorer will automatically open. Okay. Got it? Sometimes it will not open automatically. What you need to do, you need to open it with the help of either you can open it by shortcut, or else what you can do, you can just go to Tools, Domain Explorer. The shortcut key is F7. Reference Explorer, the shortcut key is F8. Clear?
Sir, can you make it full screen, sir? Because I'm not able to see it.
Yeah, mine is in full screen only, Shane.
Full screen? Here. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what is Domain Explorer and what is Reference Explorer is? See, the Domain Explorer is the place where you will be creating all the project-specific design documentation, deliverables, entities, everything will be created within the Domain Explorer. Okay. Reference Explorer, it is the place where you will be creating the project-specific templates. Okay, like cable types, junction box type, instrument types, okay, loop types. So those kind of typicals you will be creating within the Reference Explorer, which will be used as a reference. Okay. If you want any particular cable or anything, right, what you can do, you can go and check the particular cable type within the Reference Explorer. You can take it and you can use it into your Domain Explorer. Clear?
Okay.
Clear, Shane?
Yes, yes, clear.
Shane, are you following?
Yes, I'm getting.
Yeah. Okay. So once if you log into the Domain Explorer, you can able to see there are like multiple other folders are there. So these folders are by default present in the application. You don't have an authority to either delete or create a folder that are already existing within the either the Domain Explorer or else into the Reference Explorer. Clear? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So now what we have done, we have logged into the U4002 unit. Okay. So under this unit, what we are going to do, we are going to do the very first module of SPA. Okay. So the very first module of SPA is Instrument Index module. Clear? Module. Okay. Instrument Index module, we are going to first see about it. Okay. Okay. So what is Instrument Index? Do you have any idea?
Instrument index is the details of the instruments, which means which includes the tag number, etc. etc.
Yeah. Okay. So instrument index is nothing but it covers the some of the basic properties of the list of instruments that are existing into a particular project. Correct?
Okay.
Yes, correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So with the help of what document can you able to prepare the instrument index? Any idea?
P and ID, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So you know how to read the P and ID, how to take the list of instruments from the P and ID, what is line number, what is the equipment number. So those kind of details you know already, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let's consider you are working onto a project. You have prepared the instrument index based on the P and ID number, correct? So in any particular unit, there will be n number of P and ID documents might be there, correct?
Okay.
Some 10 to 20 P and IDs will be present on a particular unit, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. When you have prepared the P and I like an instrument index for the complete project, you can able to generate multiple other reports also, correct? Let's say
Okay. Yes, yes.
like line list, equipment list, IO type list. What are all the different types of instruments that we have, instrument types that we that are present in the project, correct? Those kind of reports also we will be able to make it, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So the reason why I'm telling us, so before starting with the SPI, the very first thing what you need to do, you need to check within the instrument index module whether all the reference drop downs are available or not. Okay. So first what you need to do, you need to go to the tables. See, under the instrument index module, you have a tables option, correct?
Oh, yes, sir.
So tables, first you need to go and check the instrument type. Okay. By default, you can able to see process functions are available. General, flow, level, pressure, temperature, control valve, relief valve, all the process functions, analyzer, everything will be available. What you need to do, based on your instrument index that you have prepared, you need to check within the SPI whether all the instrument types are available so that you can able to create the instrument. Okay. First, what you need to do, you need to go and check the general category, next flow category. Okay, let's say under flow category, you have flow transmitter, mass flow, DP, Coriolis, smart flow transmitter, Coriolis. See, while creating any instrument, right, what you should not do, you should not create something duplicate. Okay, see, let's say here we have a flow transmitter, DP flow transmitter, it is there. Flow transmitter Coriolis, smart flow transmitter, it is there. Okay, let's say we wanted to create a new instrument type. Okay, let's say under a level category. Okay, so in level, we have level switch is there, level transmitter is there, level transmitter, guided wave radar is there. Let's say we wanted to create some new level instrument type, which is a smart level transmitter. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to click new. The instrument type will be LT.
Yes.
Okay. Level transmitter smart. Okay. Smart. Function CS tag will be LT. Okay. So, and then click apply. The instrument type will be created. Okay. So whether only one people will be working in the preparation of instrument index or not? No. Right. Like multiple other people will also be working in the preparation of instrument index. Okay.
Yes.
So each and every person's mentality will be different because in P&ID, right, there won't be any rules or regulations that you need to capture the instrument like this and all, correct? They will be just giving a hint. Okay, if it will be a Coriolis, there will be a C written over it. If it is a magnetic, there will be a M written, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So some people, what he can do, instead of tagging level transmitter smart, he can capture the instrument with the Excel like smart level transmitter, correct?
Yes, correct, sir.
Okay, but while you are going to create within the SPI, you should follow some uniformity. Got it?
Okay, sir.
There should not be any duplicated instrument type technically. Okay. See, if you, let's say I wanted to create another one instrument type, LT, what I should not do, I should not go and create something like this. Clear?
Okay.
Because already there is an instrument type that is level transmitter smart. You should not go and create something smart level transmitter. Technically, both are same only, right? Correct, Shane?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So what you should not do, you should not create some instrument type, which is a technical duplicate within the database. Okay. So likewise, what you need to do, you need to go and check in each and every process function. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? And then you need to create all the respective instrument type under the respective process function. You need to go and check whether all the pressure instruments are available or not. Okay. Let's say
And
if there is no,
we have to ensure each and every instrument is available
yes,
in this
based on the
types.
index that you have prepared. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So it is like, see, everything will not be created in a single day. It is like
Okay.
progressively based as and when the project goes, right? So each and everything will be added simultaneously. Clear?
Yes, correct, sir.
Okay. So now what we have done, we have created the instrument type list. Next, you need to go to the table, instrument status. So instrument status is nothing but, see, we have instruments. We might be want to know the status of the instrument, like the instrument might be a new instrument. It may be taken from one particular line which might have decommissioned, and it might have been replaced in a new area, or else like we might have taken it from one place to other place. We might have replaced it. We might have decommissioned. Got it correct?
Yes, sir.
Got it, Shane?
Yes, got it.
So what you need to do, you need to create the different type of status information. That property can be updated to the instrument. Clear?
Okay.
See, if it is OOS, that means the instrument is out of service instrument. If it is REL, that is a relocated device. Okay, if it is FN, furnished by other. So likewise, we can create multiple other status abbreviations so that the property can be tagged to the instrument. Okay. So if you wanted to create anything new, you need to just click new. You have to type the abbreviation and the description for the status. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, next table, IO type. So IO type, you know, right, like analog input, analog output, digital in, digital out, field bus, heart. Okay, these are all the, see, there are some properties which are instrumentation standards, correct? So these are by default available in the instrumentation. So mostly all the IO types will be by default available within the application itself. Clear?
Okay.
So if you wanted to create anything new which is not available in the list, what you can do, you can just click on new and get it created.
And get it created. Yes. Okay, sir.
So next tables, instrument location. So coming to the instrument location, same as like other property.
Okay.
Where the instruments are located. Okay. Let's say if there is one analyzer, it will be located on the analyzer shelter. If there is any one control wall will be present in the field. Correct? So based out of the different locations where your instruments are present within the site, you need to add all the locations that are existing within the project. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Same how click new, you can create the instrument location and then you can click OK. The instrument location will be created. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it, Shane?
Yes.
Yeah. Next tables, equipment. So equipment, as I have told you, while preparing the instrument index, you can able to generate other reports also, like equipment list, line list. Correct?
Yes.
So
yes.
So once if you prepare the equipment list, see, there might be multiple types of equipment might be there, correct? There will be on equipment, let's say 001 C001. It might be a cooler also. It might be a condenser. It might be a conveyor. It might be a column. Okay. So what you need to do while creating any equipment, what you need to do, you need to get it created under the respective equipment type. Let's say if I wanted to create a pump, I need to select the pump and then only I need to click new. Clear?
Okay, fine.
4002, let's say P001. Okay, got it?
Okay.
And then click.
Okay.
And then click new 4002 P002. Okay,
Means
let's say if I want.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, let's say if this drop down, in this particular drop down, let's say I wanted to create a equipment silo. Okay, let's say that particular equipment type is itself not available. Let's say the silo equipment is not available. Okay, in that case, what you need to do, first you need to check within the type. Okay, clear?
Okay.
See here, the silo is not available. Okay, got it? Let's say I'll cancel it. table, equipment. You wanted to create a equipment which is a silo. Okay. Whether silo is available within the drop down? No, right? Steam is there, like reactor, surge tank is there. Silo is not available. Okay. What you should not do, you should not create without tagging to a equipment type. Okay. What you need to do, you need to create it under the respective type only. Okay. What you need to do, if you wanted to add a new type, which is not available within the equipment type, you need to click on new. See, there is a ellipsis button beside the equipment type, right? 3 dot.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay, click on it. See, on bottom, you have a new option. Click new. Okay, and then click okay. The type will be created. Now you have a provision to add the new silo. Clear?
New silo. Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay. So, any doubts in this? No, right, Shane?
No, yes. No, sir.
Okay. So, next, similarly, table, P&ID drawing references. So, in order to prepare the instrument index, you might have been referring multiple P&ID document numbers, correct? So, what you need to do, you need to add the P&ID document numbers to this dropdown. Clear?
Oh, okay.
How? Just click new. You can add the P&ID drawing numbers. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, there will be numerous P&ID numbers, sir. So
yeah,
all
you need
we
to,
are just
you need to add one by one.
Okay. There is no means differentiation between anything. We just add every P&ID in the same.
Yes, you need to add every you need to add every P&ID number to this table.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So table, then comes the line number. Okay. So you need to click on the line number. So once you wanted to add a line number, right? See, generally, if you take the line, right, the line will be of multiple types, right? Like some will be instrument air, some will be feed water, some will be crude line, some will be high pressure steam, correct? Some will be water line, slurry gas. So different types of lines will be there, correct? So while creating the line also, what you should do, you should get the line created under the particular line type. Okay. So initially, the line type will be empty. What you need to do first, you need to create the respective line type. So how? You need to click the ellipsis button. See, FW is there. Like if it is a normal water, let's say the code is W. Okay. Likewise, while the starting of the project, you need to create the abbreviations. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So like uniformly, you should follow some nomenclature. Clear?
Okay.
Got it? So once after you have created the line type, let's say I wanted to create some feed water line. I need to select this feed water and then click new. Let's say line number is 4002-A1-H1 dash, let's say 2 inches. Okay. So in P&ID, we can able to get only the line number alone, correct? We can't able to get other informations like what type of standard they are following, what is the internal diameter, correct? So those kind of informations we might not be able to get it. Correct, Shane?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes.
So what you need to do, you need to get in touch with the piping department for getting the piping specification. Clear?
Okay.
So you need to get in touch with the piping department for getting the piping specification. So once if you get the piping specification schedule, what you need to do, you need to add the other informations like what type of standard they are following ANSI. So once if you click the ANSI standard, right, it will show the line size selection. Okay, let's say our line size is 2 inches. So in 2 inches, there are like multiple piping specifications will be available. Okay, based on the input specification that you receive, you need to select the correct piping schedule and then click OK. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, and then you can see.
So how will we be accessible for this piping?
You need to get in touch with the piping department. They will provide you with the detail. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you selected, next you can able to see the P&ID number, correct? See,
Okay.
prior to this, we have added the P&ID number, correct, Shane?
Okay.
See, now the added P&ID numbers will be available in the drop down. Okay. What you can do, you can add the P&ID number which is applicable by selecting it from the drop down. Clear? And also you can select the material. Okay. Stream. What is the stream? Let's say it is a feed water. Okay. And then click.
Okay.
Okay. See, now the line number is created. Got it?
Okay, fine.
Clear, Shane?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So likewise, what you need to do, you need to create the line numbers under the respective category. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So next table, instrument criticality. Okay. Like what are the different critical types are available? Highly critical, low critical. Okay. So likewise, different critical property, you can add it to the tag properties. Okay. So next table, instrument certification. What are the different type of certifications we use for the instrument? That names what you can do, you can add it one by one within the drop down. Okay. Next comes the table manufacturer. What are the different instrument manufacturers that we have procured and it is present at the site? Okay.
Okay.
Like model number. Okay. If you wanted to add a model number, it can be added under the manufacturer. Okay. So you need to select the manufacturer. Only under the manufacturer, what you can do, you can able to add the model by clicking on new. Clear?
Okay.
Clear, Shane?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Clear. Okay. So only when you add all the reference drop down. Okay. Okay. Clear? Then you can able to work into the domain explorer. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
See here, you have a loop. Okay. So you might have prepared the instrument index where you will have the loop instruments and all, right? So first what you need to do, you need to create the loop. Okay. Right click, new loop. See, automatically the convention will come, correct?
Yes. Okay.
Let's say 400 F 1000 loop I need to create it. Click OK. Okay, 1 minute. 1000 A. Click OK. See, loops. Once after you click right, it will ask you for the loop service. Okay, and other properties related to the loop. So what you need to do, see, based on the instrument index, you need to enter the properties. Okay. Loop function, control, loop criticality. See, we have seen the drop downs, right? That in the index module. See, these are all the properties. Only when you add it, you can able to add it. Even though you can add it here also. See, beside every property, you have a ellipsis, right?
Yes.
Here also you can add it. Loop equipment.
Okay.
P&ID drawing number. Okay. And then click OK. After adding the property, click OK. What it is asking, do you want to create a new tag number that will be associated with this new loop? Yes. Let's say under this loop, we do have a transmitter. Okay. Flow transmitter. Okay. 4002 FT 1000A. Click OK. See, it is asking what type of flow transmitter it is. Because under flow transmitter, we have multiple types. You need to specifically choose what type of transmitter is that particular tag number. Let's say if it is a DP, you need to select DP and then click OK. Got it, Shane?
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So next what you need to do, you need to add that properties related to the tag number, like status. See here. It is a newly purchased instrument. Location, it is in field. IO type, analog input, certification. Clear, Shane?
Yes.
Manufacturer, Emerson. Clear?
Yes. Got it.
Okay. And then click apply. Let's say under this particular loop, you have another one instrument, which is a control valve. Okay. What you need to do within this tag property, you can able to see on bottom, there is a new option, correct?
Okay, sir.
Click new. It will ask you for the new tag number. So 4002 FV 1000A, let's say.
Okay.
Clear? It will create the new instrument.
Yes. We have to make it FT to FC, FV. Okay.
Not FT to FV. We are creating a new instrument, not changing that.
Yeah. Understood. Yes.
Okay. And then you need to populate the informations and then click apply. Okay. See, created.
A control also. Okay.
Okay. Let's say in future, if you wanted to create, you can right click the loop also. New instrument. Clear?
Instrument. Yes, sir.
Let's say flow element.
Normally in a closed loop, we will have one transmitter and one control valve.
Yes. So yes.
Correct.
Okay. Let's say you have a similar type of a loop which you wanted to create. What you can do, you can just right click, duplicate also. So same type of a loop with different sequence number can be also created. Clear?
Yes, sir. Means if we have like in an accumulation port, if we have the same type of transmitter to transmitter.
2233 like that, it will be there.
Yeah,
right? Or else in the boilers, right? You will have multiple thermocouples or like TTs mounted at different places.
Correct? Yes, correct.
So you can easily duplicate it.
Yes, sir.
If you wanted to edit the property, you can click yes. Or if you don't want to edit the properties, you can click no. Got it?
Okay.
If you wanted to, see, there might be some instruments which are local instruments like pressure gauge, temperature gauge. Those will be not part of a loop and all, correct? So in that case, if you don't want to create a loop, if you want to create only the instrument, what you can do, you can just click the instrument folder directly. See, automatically your instrument will also get added. Got it?
Okay.
It will get added here also in the loop and also under the instrument folder also. Suppose if you wanted to add the instrument alone, you can just come to instrument, new instrument. Let's say I want to create some RFIs, flow RFIs with. If it asks for a loop name, what you need to do, you need to click cancel. So that no loop will be created, only instrument will be created. Got it?
Okay.
See, the loop number property will be empty.
Okay.
Got it, Shane?
Got it.
Okay. Let's say you are working onto a project. Based on the Excel, you have created all the instruments. Okay. But when getting hold of the P&ID, you are coming to know there is no such loop is present. 4000F, 1000A, there is no such loop is present. All the instruments which are present under this loop is part of the F1000. Got it?
Okay.
So in that case, the instruments are associated to a wrong loop, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what you can do, it can be done in two ways. One way is like it is near, right? Both are very near. You can just drag and drop it to the loop so that it will get associated. While associating, it will give you a warning also. That means if the equipment properties are like line properties are different, right? It will show you a warning. Okay. See, now it is moved. This is one way, like you can move it to keep it under that loop. The other way is just open the property. See, on right hand side, you have a associate option. Correct?
Okay.
Click associate. The loop number list will come. You need to select the list of loop where you wanted to move that particular tag. Okay, just select the loop and click OK. The tag will be moved to the respective loop. Got it?
Okay.
See, now it has moved, right, Shane?
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, got it.
Yeah. Let's say if you wanted to delete a loop, what you need to do, you just need to select the loop, right click, delete. So while deleting, if you wanted to delete a tag also, select delete associated tags and click yes.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, clear.
Okay. See, in Reference Explorer, see here what we have done, we have created the instruments and loops manually, correct?
Yes.
Correct, Shane?
Yes, correct, sir.
So some things we can automate also. How? See here, you have some typical loops, typical instruments also. Clear?
Yes.
Let's say you have some level loop. So a level control loop means like, let's say level control loop 1. Okay, L1. Okay. Let's say like I'll create some function. Okay, control indicating loop type, closed loop. Okay. In one level control loop, let's say we have one level transmitter. Okay, level transmitter. So here you are creating this typical loop in the reference, right? So what you need to do, you need to only select the property which are common for all the instruments. Clear, Shane?
Okay. Okay.
Apply. And then let's say I have another one, level control valve is there. Okay.
Okay.
Apply. Okay. So now if I want similar kind of a loop in my project, let's say there are like 10 or 20 different tanks are there. All the tanks have the same level measurement configuration, which are having, let's say, 1001, 1002, 1003, up to 20 loops are present. If you create one by one or duplicate one by one, it will be taking time, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So that what you can do, you can just create the typical and then go to the macros, right click, new macro, let's say level control. Okay. And then what you need to do, you need to just select the loop, drag and drop it, click save. Now, next what we are going to do, we are going to run this macro. Okay. Right click, action, batch macro creation, select the macro. You need to mention the series number. Let's say I want it from 001 to 005. And then comma, I want 007. And then you can mention comma or dash also between. Okay. And click run.
Okay.
So based on the naming convention, your loop and instruments will be automatically created within the unit. Clear? With the mentioned sequence number based on the macro. Clear?
Okay.
Got it, Shane?
Yes, got it, sir.
Okay. See, it has created. Okay. Then just click close. Now go to the loop folder and refresh. See here. Got it, Shane?
Okay. All the loops got copied.
Yeah. Create?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Any doubts in today's session, Shane?